means लड़की. H for horse. Horse means घोड़ा. I for import. Import means दवा. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला. O for owl. Owl means उल्लू. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rat. Rat means चूहा. S for sheep. Sheep means जहाज. T for telephone. Telephone means दूरभाषा यंत्र. U for umbrella.